Castor oil for eyes. A comprehensive guide. Castor oil, derived from the castor bean plant, has long been revered for its medicinal properties. While its effectiveness in treating various ailments remains a subject of debate, castor oil has gained popularity for its potential eye care benefits. In this video delves into the science behind castor oil's purported benefits for the eyes, explores its safe usage methods, and addresses the associated precautions. Potential benefits of castor oil for eyes. 1. Dry eyes. Castor oil may alleviate symptoms of dry eyes, a condition characterized by insufficient tear production, leading to irritation, scratchiness, and redness. Studies suggest that castor oil eye drops can enhance tear film stability and improve dry eye symptoms. 2. Blepharitis. Blepharitis, an inflammation of the eyelids, can cause redness, swelling, and crusting. Applying castor oil to the eyelids has demonstrated efficacy in reducing inflammation and alleviating blepharitis symptoms. 3. Eyelash growth. While some believe castor oil promotes eyelash growth, scientific evidence supporting this claim is lacking. 4. Cataracts and eye floaters. There is no scientific backing for the use of castor oil in treating cataracts or eye floaters. Proper application of castor oil for eyes. 1. Cleansing. Before applying castor oil, ensure your hands and eyelids are clean and free of makeup or debris. 2. Application. Using a clean cotton swab or finger, gently apply a small amount of pure cold-pressed castor oil to the outer edge of your eyelid, taking care to avoid direct contact with the eye. 3. Massage. Gently massage the castor oil into the eyelid, ensuring even distribution. 4. Removal. Allow the castor oil to sit for 15 to 30 minutes before gently wiping it away with a soft, damp cloth. Precautions and safety measures. 1. Irritation. Castor oil can irritate the eyes. If you experience redness, swelling, or discomfort, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. 2. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using castor oil due to insufficient safety data. 3. Eye infections. Individuals with eye infections or injuries should consult a doctor before using castor oil. 4. Quality assurance. Use only pure cold-pressed castor oil to ensure quality and minimize the risk of impurities. Consulting a healthcare professional. Before incorporating castor oil into your eye care routine, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying eye conditions or are using other eye medications. They can assess your individual needs and provide personalized guidance on the safe and appropriate use of castor oil.